Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is childhood, teenagers and adulthood. Now, what is the concept of childhood? Childhood is usually defined in relation to adulthood, the condition of being an immature person, of having not yet become an adult. The definition of childhood then involves complex cultural judgments about maturity and immaturity. Children's assumed capabilities and their difference from adults. Now, characteristics of childhood. There are, however, some common characteristics of the period of childhood which should guide you in the way you look at and work with children. Three of the most important are: first one is dependency, second one is vulnerability, and the third one is resilience. Next is the stages of childhood. In early childhood, middle childhood, and adolescence represent the three stages of child development. Each stage is organized around the primary tasks of development for that period. Next is teenage and its characteristics. Between 13 and 19 years old, it is a period of teenage relating to people who are between 13 and 19 years old. The five leading characteristics of adolescence are biological growth and development, an undefined status, increased decision making, increased pressures, and the search for self. The life of a teenager seems to change daily, constantly exposed to new ideas, social situations, and people. Teenagers work to develop their personalities and interests during this time of great change. Before their teenage years, these adolescents focused on school, play, and gaining approval from their parents. Now, what is the hardest part of teenagers? The most difficult part of being a teenager is trying to understand your feelings and who you are as a person. At the same time, you have to deal with the pressures of work, school, family, friends, and the bad stereotype of being labeled a teen. Next is 8 behavioral traits of teenagers. Here are some normal teenage behaviors that you should be ready for, as well as tips on determining whether something requires a professional evaluations. First one is mood swings, spending less time with family, pushing boundaries and challenging rules, mild experimentation. Now, developmental stages of a teenagers. Researchers suggest adolescents undergo three primary developmental stages of adolescence and young adulthood: early adolescence, middle, and late adolescence or young adulthood. Now, adulthood. The life stage called early adulthood defines individuals between the ages of 20 and 35 who are typically vibrant, active, and healthy, and are focused on friendships, romance, childbearing, and careers. Yet, serious conditions such as violent events, depression, and eating disorders can negatively impact young adults. Now, what are the four stages of adulthood? The four stages of adulthood examined Here include early adulthood, the ages between 22 to 34. Early middle age is 35 to 44, late middle age is 45 to 64, and the late adulthood age is 65 and older.